Hi and welcome, my name is Becky and today we're looking at incidents, accidents and emergencies. This is part 2 of your Q&A theory test syllabus as part of the LPOD Academy training series for your theory driving test. Okay, we're going to get started. Okay, so question 1. You lose control of your car and damage a wall. No one is about. What should you do? A. Report the incident to the police within 24 hours. B. Tell the homeowner the next day. C. Report the incident to your insurance company when you get home. D. Find someone locally and tell them about it immediately. A. You should report the incident to the police within 24 hours. Question 2. Which 3 items should you carry with you in the event of a collision? A. A fire extinguisher. B. A road map. C. A can of fuel. D. A warning triangle. E. Jump leads. F. A first aid kit. You should carry a fire extinguisher, a warning triangle and a first aid kit. Question 3. You are in a collision with another moving vehicle. Someone is injured and your vehicle is damaged. Which 4 of the following should you find out? A. The make and registration of the other vehicle. B. Whether the driver owns the other vehicle involved. C. The other driver's name, address and telephone number. D. Whether the other driver is licensed to drive. E. The occupation of the other driver. F. The details of the other driver's vehicle insurance. A. The make and registration of the other vehicle. B. Whether the driver owns the other vehicle involved. C. The other driver's name, address and telephone number. And F. The details of the other driver's vehicle insurance. Question 4. You have a collision whilst your car is moving. What is the first thing you must do? A. Stop only if someone has witnessed the incident. B. Call the emergency services. C. Stop at the scene of the accident. D. Call the insurance company. Stop at the scene of the accident. Question 5. Your vehicle is broken down on an automatic railway level crossing. What should you do first? A. Get everyone out of the vehicle and clear the crossing. B. Walk along the track to warn approaching trains. C. Push the vehicle clear of the crossing. D. Call your vehicle breakdown service. A. You should get everyone out of the vehicle and clear the crossing. Question 7. Your vehicle catches fire whilst in a tunnel. It is still drivable. What should you do? A. Leave it with the engine running. B. Pull up, then walk to an emergency telephone point. C. Park it away from the carriageway. D. Drive it out of the tunnel if you can do so. D. You should drive it out of the tunnel if you can do so. Question 8. When approaching a tunnel, it is good advice to A. Make sure you are wearing your sunglasses. B. Check your tyre pressures. C. Change down to a lower gear. D. Make sure your radio is tuned to the frequency shown. D. Make sure your radio is tuned to the frequency shown. Question 9. You are in a tunnel and your vehicle is on fire and you cannot drive it. What should you do? A. Stay in the vehicle and close the windows. B. Switch on your hazard warning lights. C. Try and put out the fire. D. Switch off all your lights. E. Leave the engine running. B. Switch on your hazard warning lights. And C. Try and put out the fire. Question 10. Whilst driving, a warning light on your instrument panel comes on. You should A. Check out the problem straight away. B. Continue to drive and hope it resolves itself. C. Continue if the engine sounds okay. D. Deal with the problem at another time. A. You should check out the problem straight away. Question 11. You are driving through a tunnel and the traffic is flowing normally. What should you do? A. Use parking lights. B. Use rear fog lights. C. Use dipped headlights. D. Use side lights. C. You should use your dipped headlights. Question 12. You are on a motorway. Luggage falls from your vehicle. What should you do? A. Pull over to the hard shoulder and wave traffic down. B. Walk along the carriageway to pick it up. C. Stop at the next emergency telephone and contact the police. D. Stop at the motorway, put on your hazard warning lights and pick it up. C. You should stop at the next emergency telephone and contact the police. Question 13. Your tyre bursts whilst driving. Which two things should you do? A. Hold the steering wheel firmly. B. Brake as quickly as possible. C. Put on the parking brake. D. Pull up slowly to the side of the road. E. Continue at normal speed. You should hold the steering wheel firmly and pull up slowly to the side of the road. Question 14. At an incident, a casualty has stopped breathing. You should A. Remove anything that is blocking the mouth. B. Tilt the head back gently to clear the airway. C. Give the casualty a drink of water. D. Raise the legs to help with circulation. E. Keep the head tilted forwards as far as possible. You should remove anything that is blocking the mouth, and B. You should tilt the head back gently to clear the airway. Question 15. After a collision, someone is unconscious in their vehicle. When should you call the emergency services? A. As soon as possible. B. After you have woken them up. C. After checking for broken bones. D. Only as a last resort. As soon as possible. Question 16. You are at the scene of an incident. Someone is suffering from shock. You should A. Give them a warm drink. B. Offer them a cigarette. C. Keep them warm. D. Avoid moving them if possible. E. Reassure them constantly. F. Avoid leaving them alone. You should keep them warm, avoid moving them, reassure them constantly, and avoid leaving them on their own. Question 17. You are involved in a collision. Because of this, which three of these documents may the police ask you to produce? A. Your driving licence. B. Your service record. C. Your insurance certificate. D. Your vehicle registration document. E. Your theory pass certificate. And F. Your MOT test certificate. Your driving licence, your insurance certificate and your MOT test certificate. Question 18. At an incident, a casualty is unconscious but still breathing. You should only move them if A. There is further danger. B. Bystanders advise you to. C. An ambulance is coming. D. Bystanders will help you to move them. A. If there is further danger. Question 19. You break down on a level crossing. The lights have not yet begun to flash. Which three things should you do? A. Telephone the signal operator. B. Leave your vehicle and get everyone clear. C. Walk down the track and signal the next train. D. Tell drivers behind you what has happened. E. Move the vehicle if the signal operator tells you to. You should telephone the signal operator, you should leave your vehicle and get everyone clear, and you should move your vehicle if the signal operator tells you to. Question 20. You see this sign on the back of a lorry. What does it mean? A. Carrying dangerous goods. B. Emergency blood ambulance. C. A large goods vehicle. D. Heavy goods vehicle. A. Carrying dangerous goods. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel. You can sign up to our secret Facebook group, the link is below in the description, and find our driving test tips at our website. You can check out our blog at learnerpod.co.uk and find us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram. Please like, share and comment below. If you are looking for driving lessons or wish to take an intensive driving course, please visit our website. And finally, if you would like to grab yourself a free 52-page learner manual, please visit the link on the screen and below this video in the description. You can print this manual off and use it to help you with your driving lessons. Until next time, take care.